Here we have the fundamental mechanics, Mechanisms Plus, slotted quick return linkage setup, which offers a definitive demonstration of advanced kinematic design. This system illustrates the conversion of uniform rotary motion into non-uniform reciprocating motion. By utilizing a distinct time ratio mechanism, it delivers a slow, high-torque working stroke, followed by an accelerated return stroke. It serves as an essential instructional tool for students analyzing mechanical advantage, velocity profiles, and fundamental engineering principles. Our next setup features a Geneva wheel and ratchet. The Geneva wheel illustrates the conversion of continuous rotary motion into precise, indexed rotational steps, shifting between periods of movement and rest by utilizing pin and slot engagement. It offers a visual analysis of acceleration profiles, mechanical synchronization, and the engineering principles used to power automated assembly lines, packaging machinery, and high-precision indexing systems. The ratchet mechanism shows directional motion control and mechanical braking, demonstrating the conversion of oscillating or continuous force into incremental, unidirectional rotation while preventing any counter-rotation. A specialized wheel with asymmetric teeth engaged by a spring-loaded pivoting lever, delivering precise rotational steps and positive mechanical locking under load. It shows the fundamental engineering principles used to ensure safety and precision in winches, hoisting equipment, and precision tightening tools.